Jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe.
Hi learners! Welcome back to my English class. Are you ready to study today? Let's go! Okay learners, today we're going to discuss about prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and location of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words, and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. In some cases, you will find preposition in front of gerund verbs. A nice way to think about preposition is as the words that help glue a sentence together. They do this by expressing position and movement, possession, time, and how an action is complete. So this is types of preposition. There are three types of preposition, including time preposition, and then place preposition, and direction preposition. Well, here, number one, preposition of time. Basic example of time preposition include at, on, in, before, after. They are used to help indicate when something happened or will happen. It can get a little confusing too, as many different prepositions can be used. Okay, now look at the example of preposition of time. I have English class on Thursday. I was born in 1982. I was born at exactly 2 a.m. And I was born 2 minutes before my twin brother. I was born after the Great War ended. Dari contoh itu, kita bisa melihat preposition waktunya. Ada hari Kamis, right? And then I was born in 1982, berarti itu dia lahir tahun 1982. Kemudian dia lahir di jam 2 pagi gitu. Nah, dapat disimpulkan bahwasanya preposition of time itu adalah menunjukkan sebuah waktu. Okay? Well, 4 years and then month, season, centuries, and time of a day use the preposition in. Okay, remember in. And then for days, dates, and specific holiday days use the preposition on. The last one for times, indicator of expression and festival use the preposition at. Number 2. Preposition of place. To confuse matters a bit, the most common preposition of time, like on, at, in, are also the most common preposition to indicate position. However, the rules are a little clearer. A place prepositions are a more rigid concept than time preposition. So look at the example of preposition place. The cat is on the table. The dogs are in the yard. Dari preposition tadi kita dapat menyimpulkan bahwa the cat is on the table, berarti dia ada on the table di atas tempatnya, right? Kemudian dog are in the yard, berarti dia posisinya ada di halaman. Nah, lots of other prepositions of place such as under, over, inside, outside, above are used in English. There is, however, a lot less confusion as they refer to rigid position rather than abstract ones. Okay, for example, the cat is locked inside the car. He is waving at you from below the stars. Ada below. Okay, number 3, prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement are quite easy to understand as they are less abstract than prepositions of place and time. Essentially, they describe how something or someone moves from one place to another. The most commonly used preposition of movement is to, which usually serves to highlight that there is movement toward a specific destination. So look at the example of preposition movement. He has gone on vacation to France. She went to bowling alley every Friday last summer. And the last one, I will go to bed when I am tired. Nah, expression of movement itu ciri khasnya ada kata to di situ. Okay, I will repeat again: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of movement. Preposition of times, it means that you discuss, you tell about months, day, time, and everything. And place, where it is or where they are. For example, I put my pencil under the table. Aku meletakkan pensilku di bawah meja. So that's the place, right? And the last one is movement, is to. For example, I go to bed because I'm so tired today. Okay, learners, thank you so much to join in my class. If you want to know more explanation, keep in touch with us. And remember, better English, bright future. See you again.
Jangan lupa subscribe channel ini. Dengan subscribe, insya Allah Anda akan mendapatkan materi edukasi dari kami setiap kami melakukan upload.